Good morning, Clearbrow, North Dallas, and Argyle, Texas. 2020 GLS 450 full wrap, Xpel Ultimate Plus. This car received every panel, including the roof, in a full wrap. Of course, all the edges wrapped, standard. We don't charge extra for that. Everything gets a wrap all the way around these tips. All the way around the headlight bezel. So here's an overall. Our mirrors, obviously they run all the way, oops, sorry. It's hard looking at the camera and trying to look at the car. Ceramic tint by Lumar on the front. All the way around the pillars, wrapped inside the door, under this rubber, by the rear quarter window. Wrapped all the way around, still under the rubber and then under the chrome. This chrome was very easy to work with. It gave us a lot of room and a lot of abilities. The black trim here also gave us a lot of ability to get the film underneath it. So this one here actually was very nice. The emblems were pulled. Mercedes emblem was pulled. No issues there. The wing, the black, is covered in Clearbrow. This little black piece here as well, and then the B pillars were also covered in the Xpel Ultimate Plus. The doors obviously include the impression here. We call it the door cup for short, but it all wraps around the handle. The handles coming out are not necessary, however, they do come out relatively easy by removing this plug and getting in here for a Torx. And then we did some ceramic coating on the interior with Feynlabs leather coating. Nothing to really see there, but what it does is it gives it the ability to repel things that are spilled, keep staining down. For example, these people that own this car wear a lot of blue jeans, so there was already blue jean marks on the tan, and that comes right off with that cleaner by Feynlabs, and then we applied the ceramic over it. Our gas cap in this area all gets rolled in, and the gas cap the Clearbrow gets rolled around it. Again, all the way around this, under the rubber, into the chrome. So there's no lines. This car has 0 lines. You wouldn't even know it was wrapped. Excellent job. So if you're looking for a Clearbrow wrap, we have no problem making your car look like it's not there. 2020 Mercedes GLS 450 Xpel Ultimate Plus, fully wrapped, topped off with ceramics, Feynlabs ceramic coating, ceramic. Thank you guys for watching. Clearbrow, North Dallas, 214-414-3809.